At HAPLAST, we specialize in manufacturing high-quality multi-layer laminated zipper bags designed to meet diverse packaging needs across industries. The process begins with laminating multiple film layers together. Material structures are customized according to customer requirements, ensuring strength, protection, and visual appeal. Next, the laminated film is fed into the machine and precisely folded into the shape of a bag. The zipper is then accurately inserted into the bag film, creating a smooth and reliable resealable closure. After that, the machine heat seals the bag edges to form a strong and secure structure. Excess film is automatically trimmed and discharged, keeping the production line clean and efficient. The bags are further trimmed and rounded at the corners for a neat and professional finish. Finally, the laminated roll is cut into individual finished bags. Then workers collect, stack, tie, and pack the finished bags, ready for shipment. Contact HAPLAST today to customize your own multi-layer laminated zipper bags.